This is Groovy Space and we are in Sunbury, Victoria 3429. We got a first floor unit and the cargo lift is down this corridor on the left side. You bring it down and you can park right in front of the cargo lift. Your car will be parked, your vehicle will be parked under covered indoor parking. Here is the unit. So it's just down this corridor. You can use trolleys here. Trolleys are provided for you to bring it out to the cargo lift and downstairs. The size of this unit is 3 meter wide, 1.5 meter deep and 2.7 meter high. Once again, this is on first floor. Follow me, I'm going to show you some of the goods here. Okay, we'll start from outside. Okay, microwave, some next bed sheet doona covers. We got boxes here. Most of the boxes appear to be quite messy. Looks like it's utensil here. A bag of mixed stuff. We got this is a George Foreman. Then we got shoes as well. It's a bit unusual to put shoes and kitchen appliance together. We got clothing. We got toiletries in this here with a football. We got sorted knickknacks again. There's no strings on both the guitar. They don't appear to be in pretty condition. Not pretty at all. We're now going to the unit. Okay, we got the mattress. I'm gonna give you a good look at close look at the mattress. Nothing much to say. And we got a it's an Xbox 360. Another, oh, it's a black Xbox and another. One must be older, one must be new, I think. One is HDD on it. We got a DVD as well as CDs and all that. We got sport games. We got books in the corner. Just a footstool. Plates again. And we got a coffee table here with two drawers. Drawers are empty. The chest looks quite worn out. Couple of golf sticks there, about 4. And we have a LG front loader, 7 kilo front loader load. Dryer, a pair of Sony speakers. Then we got a Fisher and Paykel with the freezer that is at the bottom. Now I'm not open at all, so I don't know what's the condition inside. Nothing is tested in this unit. Once sold, you gotta remove everything. We got clothing and probably knickknacks. And here's the last carton. Kitchen stuff. Once again, nothing is tested. There's no warranty, no guarantee, not sure everything is complete or not. This is in Sunbury, Victoria 3429. Once sold, everything to be removed, nothing to be left behind. There's a $250 cash deposit. And once you clear the unit, we'll refund you back the $250 cash deposit. Again, this is on first floor. You move down all the way down to the corridor. Left side, there's a cargo lift. Bring it down. Drive your car indoor. You can park right in front of the cargo lift. You can load it from there. It's under covered. Thank you for watching.